I read this article a while back that said that Microsoft employs more millionaire secretaries than any other company in the world. They took stock options over Christmas bonuses. It was a good move. I remember there was this photograph of one of the groundskeepers next to his Ferrari. Blew my mind. You see shit like that and it just plants seeds. Makes you think it's possible, even easy. And then you turn on the TV and there's just more of it. The $87 million lottery winner. That kid actor that just made $20 million on his last movie. That internet stock that shot through the roof. You could have made millions on it if you just got in early. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. Get in. I didn't want to be an innovator. I just wanted to make the quick and easy buck. I just wanted in. Notorious B.I.G. said it best. Either you sling and crack rock or you got a wicked jump shot. Nobody wants to work for it anymore. There's no honor in taking that after-school job at Mickey D's. Honor's in the dollar, kid. So I went the white boy way of slinging crack rock. I became a stockbroker. So I got in at this firm, J.T. Marlin, owned by this guy, Michael Brantley, a salesman among salesmen.
Yo. That's a jockey from Venezuela. He's a sicko. That kid is sick. He weighs like 48 pounds.
119, but you're close.
Whatever. Give me 3-1 on that skinny little nigga, all right?
I'll give you
Richie.
3-1, you...
Richie, just do me a favor, will you?
Just for like 10 minutes. Just give it a rest.